Have you ever watched a bird soar through the sky without flapping its wings and wondered how it stays up there? Well, you're not alone. Birds have some amazing tricks to help them fly without constant flapping. Let's explore how they do it. First up is gliding. When a bird flaps its wings to gain height, it can then spread its wings wide and glide. This is like sliding down a gentle hill. The bird uses the air to stay aloft, moving forward while slowly descending. It's all about balance and catching the wind just right. Next, we have soaring, which is super cool. Birds like eagles and vultures use rising warm air currents, called thermals, to lift themselves high into the sky. They circle within these warm air spirals to rise without expending much energy. It's like riding an invisible elevator in the sky. Another technique is dynamic soaring. This one's a bit more complicated. Some birds, especially those out at sea, use wind currents created by the ocean waves. By moving in and out of these winds, they can keep flying with hardly any effort. It's like playing with the wind's ups and downs. Then there's ridge lift, used by birds near mountains or cliffs. When wind hits these barriers, it rises, creating lift. Birds take advantage of this upward wind to stay afloat and move along the mountain range. Isn't that clever? And let's not forget about the shape of their wings. Many birds have specially shaped wings that help them glide and soar more efficiently. The design cuts through the air, reducing drag and making it easier to stay aloft. Birds are like nature's engineers, using their surroundings to travel great distances without tiring themselves out. Isn't it amazing how they master the skies without flapping their wings all the time? So, next time you see a bird gracefully gliding overhead, you'll know it's using some clever tricks to keep flying high. Look up and imagine the wonderful world of air currents and wing shapes that make it all possible. Keep wondering and keep exploring.